Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and today we are doing the Spellbinders April 2022 card kit of the month unboxing. This is what the kit comes in, this lovely box in the mail, and this one is called Picket Fences. I am in love with this. I think it screams spring, and spring can't come soon enough. Here is the idea card that comes in the kit, and if you want this to go a little slower, you can change that with the gear setting on YouTube. There were the clear sequins that come with it. Here are some puffy stickers with lots of sentiments, and the stamp set that comes with it is themed for neighborhoods. Has a lot of wonderful sentiments in it. We have some chipboard stickers. There are 2 pages of this, and they are beautiful, and they coordinate with the paper and with the ephemera. And here is that ephemera. I've separated it out by theme for you. Florals, neighborhoods, some fun quirky little images. We've got our location pointers and some beautiful individual flowers. Here are this is the paper pad. This is a 6x6 paper pad, and they are always gorgeous. There's some foiling on some of the elements here. They also coordinate with the ephemera and all of the stickers and other embellishments. We are going to page through all of these adorable pieces of designer cardstock, pattern paper. And there are so many beautiful papers in here. I always enjoy paging through this paper pad and finding some inspiration for my crafting. I love this park print. There's some words, these beautiful foiled trees, and look at these swans. Those are just adorable. I love these paper pads every single month. And here is the best part of the kit every time. Those dies, and we'll play with those later. There are 10 card bases and 10 envelopes in the A2 size, and then there are always several colors of cardstock and a piece of the mirror card, and this is a gold month. We have beautiful array of spring colors that coordinate with the entire kit. Now I'm going to put together the dies that came in this kit. I've die cut them in a variety of colors here. There are lots of different flower pieces, and they can be assembled many different ways. I really like the way they are shown on the idea card. We've got these little flower buds here that have this elliptical shape, and then this little 3-prong piece that's the little stamens, I would imagine, that stick out the end of the petal or pod. I love how those fit together. This works as the perfect center for this lovely 5-petal card that has the detail cut out of the petals. And then we have the stems. There are 2 stems. They both cut out at the same time. They have a nice organic curve to them and a little dot at the top for you to put your glue on. So you can make all kinds of little flowers. We're going to assemble some of these flowers. I'm putting this 5-petal flower on one of the stems, and there are 2 little leaves that cut out also. There's a larger one and a smaller one, and you can assemble those on your flowers in any way you would like. You can put multiple leaves on a stem. You can put a single leaf. You can put them right or left. They all of those ways look lovely. We have this lovely daisy type flower. You could layer more than one of those on top, and you could create a really full flower like a mum, or you can leave it single like this so it's more like a daisy. We have this little teeny tiny 5-petal flower also with some embossed or die cut details in that. I love the style of the flowers on these. In the last several releases from Spellbinders, they have all kinds of detail cut right into them. We're going to have so many beautiful little flower stems here to work with on any of your card projects. You can keep using this die set for many projects to come. Next, we have our little picket fence. We're going to line up these little flowers on my mat to show how beautiful they are. And there's also a, let's see, that would be a 5-leaf stem of greenery that you can add to your projects also. Now this picket fence comes with a base die and a die that cuts out 2 of the pickets. So then you can go ahead and adhere them over the base, and those pickets have wood grain detail die cut into them also. It makes them so fun and detailed. I've taken 3 runnings through the die cut machine to get 6 of these pickets, and that's how they look. I die cut them with a pearlized white paper, which highlights the picket fence details really well. Here you can see those flowers tucked right behind that picket fence. You could stick those right through the fence either. Also, I decided to take another of those buds and use the gold mirror cardstock to create the little stamen element, and I just had to assemble that and show you how amazing that looks with the brightly red colored cardstock. This makes just adorable little filler pieces for any bouquets that you're creating, and I can see these in so many different ways, and they will coordinate with the current month's release also. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to do that now. And if you're interested in any of the product I used today, check that description box below as always. Until next time, bye-bye.